Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective so that you can learn how to apply technical analysis indicators and trend lines so that you can do your own research and then make your own decisions. Because I am not a financial advisor. So Palantir, Palantir is trying to get on our good side a bit. So it is up at 19 cents, 0.83% at $23.08. Post-market seems to be down so far. We'll see. So it is up 20 cents almost. Are we going to change our mind about what is happening? I don't think I will. So yesterday we had a big red candle. Let me just emphasize this candle. So we broke under 24.33, boom, like this. It was entirely possible that because of the run that Palantir had done in the past here, it was possible that Palantir was just taking a breather, and what gave us that idea was that, well, basically, we stopped on this candle here on 24.30, and then the second candle. So there's a rule in technical analysis that says that we should wait for 2 days to confirm a breakout or confirm the fact that the stock bounces on the support. So we had our 2 days. Boom, boom, we had our 2 days. But then Palantir said, no, I'm just going to go down. And today, yes, it's up. It's up, but if you look at it closer, it's really down. It's really down because if you look at the high of that day here and the high of today here, the high is lower. So people paid more. People were willing to pay more yesterday for Palantir than they were willing to pay for today. So that's not a good sign. If the price is declining, that's not a good sign. And also the lowest price is also declining. So basically, we are in a downtrend. Yes, we had a little bit of a pullback because the stock was going this way, and today we have a little bit of a pullback. But one candle does not make a trend. So the trend, look at this. The trend had been going down since here. That trend could have stopped at any of these support lines here, like it did so many times before. See, it went up and started to go down, and then it stopped going down. And here it was this high, started to go down, and then it stopped and bounced. It went this high and started to go down, and then it stopped. This high started to go down, and it stopped. And then we had this medium-sized move, and then it started to go down, and it could have stopped. But no, it went super down. And then we had this support here. So it looked like the stock was going to stop. It was still technically in a bear trend, in a downtrend, because if we draw a trend line from the tops of these candles, it was in a downtrend, but it was also bouncing on a support. So it was perfectly legitimate to think, well, at least it's going to go this way, if not go higher. Nope, that's not what happened yesterday. So basically, I'm saying this because this is the downtrend that we are in. I don't like to draw those lines, those trend lines when they are very steep because they get broken easily and fast. I tend to do the trend lines, when there's some room between the local highs and the local lows. I tend to, so this is why I won't draw it. I might draw it in a day or two, but basically this is where the stock is going until it breaks this. Let's look at, I won't look at the hourly chart. it does not matter here. So let's look at the indicators. So stochastic bounced back a little bit at 1581, but basically all of the strength in the stock disappeared. So and it even disappeared around here. So it was at 75 here on June 30th. So June 30th was in that last candle, and since the July 1st candle, if I go here, July 1st candle, stochastic was at 33. So there was a lot of weakness here, and the weakness is still here. So I would be very surprised if Palantir does not go back down to 21. I would be surprised. In terms of the MACD, MACD crossed over negative and is still negative, although the two lines are positive. So yeah, but they might not remain positive for long if this is heading down to 21. And in terms of the DMI, the DMI has considered the Palantir stock a bear. Let me just make sure, a bearish trend on July 7th. Am I right? Yeah, July 7th. Where is July 7th? July 6th. Okay, so even July 6th, the DMI thought that Palantir was going to bounce on 24.30. But now after that break, all hell broke loose. So Palantir, in the short term, I would not touch that with a 10-foot pole. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting. I read all of your comments, and especially I read your comments if you join my YouTube channel. So starting from today, you can join with a monthly subscription, and you will get a little icon to identify that you were one of the first supporters of the Daily Trader, and you will have special treatment in the sense that I will for sure read your comments. You deserve that, and I deserve to do that for you if you join. So we also have a Patreon account, we have a Discord server, and some TradingView affiliate links if you are interested in that. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you, of course, à la prochaine.